Sany Heavy Industry was officially formed in 1994. Thanks to China's reform and opening up policies, it developed rapidly into the largest construction machinery manufacturer in China. During China's 11th and 12th five-year plan periods, a booming domestic economy and accelerating urbanization are giving new momentum to the country's construction machinery industry and a huge space for growth to Sany Heavy Industry, who has of experience in the construction machinery industry. In China, we have established manufacturing bases in major cities rich in human resources. Changsha, Ningxiang, Lodi, Shaoyang, Shanghai Chuansha, Shanghai Lingang, Kunshan, Beijing, and Xinjiang. Globally, Sany Heavy Industries' layout for production and marketing has become more aligned with its development strategies. To make itself one of the best in the world, the company put premium on tapping both market opportunities in emerging countries and R&D resources in developed countries. We have settled in India, Germany, Austria, the USA, and Brazil. With our best resources, we strive to build an innovation system oriented to customer needs and market trends. We make full use of our national-level R&D centers to build a globally coordinated R&D system, 2 national postdoctoral scientific research bases, 4 R&D centers in China, 3 R&D centers outside China, approximately 5% of revenue invested in R&D. R&D team with more than 6,000 engineers. Based on these, we possess a wide range of core technologies with wholly owned intellectual property rights. Developed a wide range of innovative products and large numbers of core components. In our manufacturing process, we reduce waste with the lean production philosophy and deploy resources through IT platforms. As a result, we have formed the Sany production system, which has helped to improve quality and lower costs. We have set up unique 6S centers for construction machinery in over 10 cities in China, integrating 6 functions: marketing, spare parts provision, exhibition, maintenance, information collection, and training for customers. We house the only enterprise control center in the construction machinery industry in China, which performs real-time monitoring by means of GPS, the working conditions of every machine sold by Sany anywhere in China. This offers customers valuable services, such as the remote management of their machinery. Improvement in our 3 core capabilities, namely R&D, manufacturing, and service, has helped maintain Sany Heavy Industries' sustainable and rapid development. Since the day it was listed on the A-share market in 2003, the company's share price rose as much as 49 times of listing price, when it hit an all-time high. During the period between 2005 and 2009, the company is ranked in terms of total shareholder return, number 5 among all listed companies in the world, and number 1 among all listed construction machinery companies in the world. Sany Heavy Industry Company Limited was ranked 431st in Financial Times list of Global 500 companies released on July 1st, 2011. Our premium products have been used in the construction of many significant projects in China and in the world, creating remarkable landmark structures, one after another. We put our social responsibility above our own interests. For the prosperity of the capital market in China, we were among the first in China to embrace the split share structure reform. When the 2008 winter blizzard hit, we sent needed machinery and operators in large numbers. Our contribution to disaster relief efforts in China brought hope to victims and rescue workers. Our caring hands extend to outside China. Sany's efforts have been noticed, and Sany has received support from the PRC government. We have also attracted the attention from around the world. Quality changes the world is our mission. Our long-term goal is to become a leader in the construction machinery industry and a company that will gain global respect. We are working hard to offer products and service of the highest quality so as to contribute to better life for all. Quality changes the world. Sany Heavy Industry.